Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our online class. My name is Muhammad Alamgir. I have been working as a assistant teacher in English, Ujanchor KN School and College, Bansarampur, Brahmanbaria. I will discuss about right form of verbs for class 9 and 10, part 3. Dear students, let's get started. Look at the board. First rule. Modal auxiliary verb can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, ought to, have to, must. We are going to use present form of the verb or B1, which is known as base form of the verb. In these cases, if we have subject third person singular, we are not using to add s or es at the end of the verb. Let's see, for example, first one. He can do it easily. Here is can, we have to use do base form of the verb. Second one, everybody should respect his parents. Modal auxiliary verb should has been used in this sentence. We have to use base form of the verb respect. Moving on to the next rule. Had better, had rather, would rather, let, must, need, dare. These expressions is going to use present form of the verb or B1, that means base form of the verb. In these cases, if we have in these cases s or es do not add at the end of the verb. Let's see example for first one. You had better take rest. Had better is here. We have to use take base form or present form of the verb. Second one, I let him enjoy the movie. Let is here. We have to use enjoy present form of the verb. Moving on to the next rule. Would that. Would that বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? যদি আমাদের কোনো ইচ্ছা বা আকাঙ্ক্ষা আমরা যেটা বলি কিন্তু সেটা আমরা করতে পারি না, সেই ক্ষেত্রে would that ইউজ হয়। Would that plus subject plus could, we have to use B1, present form of the verb. Let's see the example for first one. We have used would that, then subject, then we have to use could. We have to use B1, present form of the verb change. Look at the second example. Would that I could see a tiger. Would that subject, we have to use could, and we have to use see base form of the verb. Moving on to the next rule. To be or having. If we have to be or having in a sentence, then we are going to use B3, past participle form of the verb. Let's see example for first one. The teacher wanted to be written. Here to be. We are going to use B3, past participle form of the verb. Past participle form of the verb written. Second one, having taken breakfast, I went to school. Having in a sentence, we have to use taken, past participle form of the verb. We are going to next rule. It is time or it is high time. If we have it is time or it is high time, we are going to use be2, past form of the verb. It is time. After subject we have to use past form of the verb changed our bad habits. It is time we changed our bad habit. It is time, then subject we have used past form of the verb. Second one, it is high time you studied hard. It is high time, then subject we have used past participle form of the verb studied. Moving on to the next rule, mind or without, cannot help, with a view to, look forward to, would you mind, get used to. If we have this type of expressions, we are going to use be1 plus ing. Let's see example. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Look forwarded to, then after we have to use hear plus ing, hearing. Second one, he got used to walking in the evening. Here, get used to, verb plus ing, walking in the evening. I am repeating it once again. কোনো সেন্টেন্সে যদি মাইন্ড or without, cannot help, with a view to, look forward to, would you mind, get used to থাকে, তাহলে পরের ভার্বের সাথে ing যুক্ত হয়। Dear students, today this is the end of the class. Thank you.